Okay, so I uploaded a set of MRI scans. These are grayscale images by the load button. Unfortunately, cannot load it again, otherwise this value would be lost. The table but simply works when pressing this button and loading with the base name T. And I have 5 values here. Different operations can be performed on them, like the brightness manipulation. This is how the slider manipulates brightness. We press undo, goes back to the original. Slider also comes back to the original value. Contrast, increase the contrast, decrease it, undo, make it original. Histogram equalization. This is the histogram equalized value, and again press undo. We invert the image. This is the inverted image. Press undo, goes back to original value. In order to perform the median filter here, we need to first apply some noise, and I apply salt and pepper noise. So 0.024, and I say okay. It applied this value. I say save it locally. Let's check whether it's saved or not. Yes, image 4, the value got saved, and then I apply the median filter on it. It removed all the values, salt and pepper values, and it displayed the image. So let's try some other filters on image number 5. So I again introduce some noise, salt and pepper noise, 0.025. It applies it, save it. So image number 5 is saved with salt and pepper of 0.025, and I select the disk filter to be applied. This is the message that popped up, and it applied the filter applied, and it says press the filtered image button to show the changes. The filtered image button is here, so I press the filtered image, and this is what image is obtained. Pretty blurred image, but it removed the noise and it made the image blurred. So that's how it works. And then let's switch over to the next clean image, where we have this table, where we have this data saved in the table, and I say save table data. It saved the data, and in order to test it, let me apply some salt and pepper noise. I think we have some image. This one is the image with salt and pepper. I'm going to apply this kernel on this image. So I'll hit the apply kernel. So this is the change that happened. Well, it can pretty much give you the outlines of the image. It's showing the edges of the image, this edge, depending upon the kernel. So it basically works fine. Let's see this image, one clean image, yeah, this one. So I introduce some white noise, and after introducing some white noise, the image changed to this image, and then I save it. So image number 1 is saved with some white noise. So this is image number 1, and I interpolate using average filter, and this is the value that I obtained after the average filter. And I do undo. It changed back to the last saved value. So when I exit, it asks for did you save your work. If I'll hit yes, it will close all of it. I say no, then it says please save your work, and using save to, the save to button is here. So save to, it will ask for the base name, and it says should not be D or T, because D is hard coded to be the MRI scans, grayscale, and T are the colored images. So I'll put in some different value. I say suppose U, and I hit OK. And let me check whether it saved it or not. So Yeah, it saved all these 5 images with the all the images that were modified using various operations in the GUI were saved with the base name U, and since the original set of images were 5, so the new set of images are also 5. Thank you.